Okay, let's do a hands-on exercise on this 2015 Chevy Equinox on this multifunction mass airflow sensor. Now, we talked about this on the PowerPoint. This sensor looks at humidity and throttle input air pressure and calculates the humidity, obviously, as incoming air. So it's in addition to the conventional mass airflow. If you look at my lab scope pattern right now, you can see the green trace looks to be a duty cycle signal. Humidity is calculated off the duty cycle. Looks to be about 80% duty cycle on the high side and about 20% on the low side. And the yellow trace is throttle input air pressure sensor. And it looks to be about 3.9 volts. So the PCM looks at both these values and calculates the humidity factor, which obviously has an effect on the mass of the air. So this is a relatively new sensor, came out I think in model year 2014. To give you an idea that sometimes a lab scope may be needed to take a look at these signals, because if you recall earlier on your scan tool, you do not have a humidity parameter. This is actually us looking at it on the front door diagnostics on the actual signal itself from the mass airflow.